Go.
Hey there. Today we're going to learn how to do tie-dye with paper towels and markers. It's a lot of fun, it's pretty simple, and there's a lot of ways that you can really make the project your own. I'm going to show you an example. It's amazing that that is from a paper towel. When we fold the towel, there's several different ways you can fold it. You can fold it so that it looks like a rectangle or a square, or you could fold it so it looks like a triangle. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate those two basic folds. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And finally, one more time. Now to make the triangle, I'm going to also fold it in half. I'm going to fold it in half one more time. And then I'm going to fold my rectangle into a triangle. Like that. Okay? And you could also invent your own fold. There's no limit to how you can fold your paper. Now when I'm coloring it, I'm going to use, I'm using basic Crayola crayons, and it works better if you use I said crayons, I mean markers. It works better if you use a marker that has a cone-shaped tip. That works much better than a marker that has a chisel tip, like this, okay? Because when I'm doing it, I'm going to I'm dipping it in some water, so you need a cup of water. Dip and roll. Dip and roll. And by dipping the marker in a little bit of water, it's going to help the color from the marker to seep through the paper towel. And if I want to flip it over, I can do that. And that'll help it to kind of seep through from both sides. And you can go from one color to another. And there's no specific way that you have to use the markers to dye the paper. But you can keep flipping it over while you're doing it. Looks like I kind of have a rainbow thing going on here, the way I'm doing my colors. So I'm kind of putting my marker down and rolling it across. I could go like this if I wanted to, I guess, right? But if you rub too much, sometimes you can rip the paper towel. So I like to sort of just roll it on there, like that. Now let's get a peek of what I got going on here. So the triangle, let's see what the triangle made. It made like a bullseye. Look at that. So have fun doing your paper towel tie-dye. And remember, tie-dye is about experimenting. There's no specific way that you need to make it try and come out. Experiment, have fun. And the last thing that I will say is, this project will, it will kind of eat up the life of your markers. So, you know, it may be better done with a set that that you're okay with, you know, it using up a lot of the ink. Okay? Have fun, and always feel free to email us with any questions at jlsteiner@pnwboskies.org. Have fun. Bye-bye.